in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fairfield County, southwestern Licking County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sunbury to 6 miles north of South Bloomfield, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Pickerington, Heath, Granville, Pawhuasca, Canal Winchester, Johnstown, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, Summit Station, and Thornport. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 112 and 136. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.